na wonso awuti wo fie no watimi nya kwanya no na ode wadwenkyere no aba beto program no eso oba 1 minute 30 seconds no wakasa na wawie Sompa 106.5 FM Accra your client service number no mame emo amane se da so a ye adwuma enti se opese oni ye konakra na oni ye di dwuma ogi ye rate card wo hye se de adwumadi sifate na ye mbo wo so wadwetonde no hu dawuro emfa mawo a obetimi afran ye ne obedi nkomo na afei no yama wahunu de eko 0531886216 0531886216 ye beje so na ye ne wadi nkomo kasa natural mineral water nsuo krogin pebi ne nom program bi a wo ye no na fa so asene na ntimi emmoa ye de afa mfidie mu so be bi atuntu nsuo bi a ukoho no mabenye bi ato Taifa Enkran Back Hospital na chi ho eho ene yebutu wi a no akopa aduane bi ape so Hajia special local foods ewo hachu atomic kwan so wona transition funeral home na eben ho uduru ho no ma aduane bi a wope say local food nko ade Hajia wo ye ho adwuma 0246359921 0246359921 time about mixture bowura pharmacy bi emusa no pay wonu ato na wankasa no asa aduane bi anhye dan no kon ne ho nkro ne ba general body pains honam nyina ya wo ya na malaria bi pese tete wa time herbal mixture baby atuntu onrobia pharmacies herbal shops obenya bi ato 0244 417 669 nyumekwe adawroma ena no pay yatena sia ensema hodo a ekoso no ye ba bedi hunkomo na nyame nko a ena mewo fi hanum sei odoma nkoma chiame obrempon nana kwekwampoma waje ne black ena wode ne glasses na sine ni kama ena chese cross da ne kom de bia cross yi eda ne kom so enye de Yesu yi bia cross yi eda ne kom pa nso mpato menu hunahuna ye ba de sese ye ka no ye beka enye cross we da ye kom ntini ye beka sai ena wa ade ye koso na enye kora ye nka ye beka ekoye nso ebeka ena ejapi apam dada nso ewo hanum seyi imeni omo ena eba betena se na yedi nkomo ede amao ene anopai ewo Ghana Today jumedie nso sa wonya ma Facebook a Sompa 106.5 FM Accra braso wo like page na no wabeja wadwenkyere na ato hode amayen ye bekenkan bi ede ama bedwafo bibia bokode
ye hu amabo
na wonso
Eradi adom se ade achi edie na chese nida so wo ho
na no crossi papa ya oda crossi si ansan kra no mbekunu no aso dem ho anotwe ababo enti cross na da heku ma no chese we be lenient ono ankasa no kro da cross so wa mai tumi se yenti etia awowo ni nyanya kire so owie no se sana no quotation no wasi hwehwem se wadi amumoye semi ampa
ne bramanim
fa o si kum na no ni fi emu fie bua pasa owie cross ni on pese wo bedi yi no fa ne bramanim kunu wo manim
ena no ba ku ya ye kan ye emi say me de ba my favorite scripture and a Tuesday no emi say James ana James 5:2 say
4:2
ana Yakubu James 5:2 say 10:2
e dey na ye ode ho na me hwehwe ma o say
kai scripture ni mpodie na mu ode
oknya kai asem no nkwa
asem no na mpesa me kai ya
mo de I say God is love
o see obi eradi ade asem kurani
ne odi emransem no so no to baako no still o to ni nyina no okay
mo na baako bi so toa so baako bi toa so de mehwehwe before program be kwa bi be na anopai mo se dan na eko esa na nya holiday
o dabi na nya holiday dabi na grant me nya holiday
ene mom ye April ofosu de twato
ye de boy ye ho akọ holiday
na nkofo na dey yenko online na yenyi bi mfiri ho
ensam de wo ho
sawo
senne no ho eje fache me
okay
James ya wa kan
Yakubu
se o kan James 4:2 na o se mo kondo
nso munya
do o se mo kondo na munya mudi awu na muni bre na muntumi nnuru ho moko na mutusa na nso munya efri se mumusa me mumusa
enna da ho no
entini ya mobeye bia no ade eno se mama mutumi se mobetietia awowo eni nyanya nkyere so enti onini ntimi nse mo light
mbetietia awowo na nyanya nkyere so onini nso ye wo
onini ye wo esi den no onini etimi kwa e koma mudum so
e ma sofo da sumu na deputy minister say me do me generator na ma feel say na Ghana for feeling ni bi enye atembi
simple
me share that say me do me generator na ma feel ni Ghana for
so who say dem how no tie
odum for how long on kan kire and cry show you odum for how long ya dem 12 hours no odam 2 hours mpo
asem
sabedi atamaka ho
ni ese nkrofo bi ko atake ejusu MC
ai mesi nra na nsan na mu video na mebufu afu no adan a wa hot illegal land sale moto almost a party for allegedly a party for
allegedly sana eyi dia bai say wo me party executive
so be ka say den chemo wa na yenye chinye wonu firifie na eba
constituency executive NDC
we
enti yebekum
mesi na se de mbo afu na no
ma bu fansa
se MC
ene
music chairman chairperson
ya ne ya danso nya de a ya no ye wo mu no nyina no ye bedi yaw na mom ya wo obi ho a ye be ma sa ya na ko
enti me bobody ye wo ha ne so ana say
se ne no de o mo de ye be fefa ba bia ne no o play o do there the kind of me
we daily guide online na the aka na yemfa nto aso ti said me kan no municipal chief executive for Ejiso ewa Asante Mantemu Jerine Asante ye chiremu esenkrofo bi ekwa atake na allegedly wo me constituency executives ya wo mo NDC amanyuku no emu ma tension bi a esie wo ho no kora nya asem ketwa no mo se viral video bi ekoya na said ye kwaku kan confrontation no na ya de bi a ehadwene na wo mo chiremu ese coordinator ya woda Ghana school feeding program no ano Gloria Koshio Huze wono na ya Ashanti regional coordinator wono kro ya nso ye Ashanti regional women's organizer wono so yesi ye hunu wo video ni mu bi footage no so wo mo echirem se glass table ibie ye MC dia no o madane na butu chese eniema hodo bi a wo mo koye wo ho no eyade bi ha dwene pa nti MC na kasa de etia se na amanyokuo ba ko a ye nyina ye som se bibi kura na aba na monte ase a enye enkomo na esese mu ba bedie anamu bisa na echire mu yie enti e ba ne sen na mo be ye se ye kosese obi ade nka mo ba atake no na bibi boni bisi ya na nka no mo koya na mo ba enti sa de ne de wo kire se entwe ye kura enti anopa daily guide e de bia ba e wo mo portal no eso na ye kire mu ese nyame yadom a ye roforiata kane finance minister ni US immigration court case no womo ese nyame yadom a June ne de toso edunum ena womo ebetena so na womo ahwe akansa asem no e de afiri ho minority ne say Dumso is back enti don't blame Akosombo fire eja ba beto ho no a enya de pade ye nyina ye di ho yawo na emom sa aban ne beba beka san ena ye no na akose fire no ne sa ankro ne ba ne de womo mpese wo mbete kura ewa hanum sei enti eno so ho asem ewa ha Akachi robbery bust 3 nabbed in police crackdown weapons seized say ebi robbery no ebi nso koso wa Akachi ho na no ne yesi nipa miensa ene ache wo mo na ne akonde ahodo ne niema wo mo agegye no enye asem kuma kura e ha dwene. A focus office clarifies MPP Council of Elders meeting and also ko daily guide online wo mo atrotrobi de ho asem aba beto hanum say 10 die in Binduri convoy attack military convoy bi ana womo escort 140 civilians bi womo so besani etuo ni ejagu womo so ewo binduru ho nano dwada ema ye kasa di womo kire se nipa miensa na afiri mu ekire na ebi mu so na anopai womo edibi aba enti mamenko ejapia ho na ebi wo ho no amambo so a bebia wo no ode atoa so
mo esquire ma meno wasena ye ma yetiefo amu anopai Sabre 90.7 Sompa Nkransa Edemunya Asamoah 101.1 Takwa Sompa no wa bie na 103.3 Takra de no nso edemu bia na wutie wo tachiman Brunchampin dedu akwa apo ene ne dom no oga Jesus mo Sompa 106.1 FM na we the business analyst the obokrata what the good board penino what the nimfoni aba beto akire na watch us 5.45 billion Ghana cedis and year surplus for 2025 wonu munyai krata ya mfansie ya watcha ede aba anopai yenso ye bosu bi ede ama yetiefo a wo monte sompa ho jai na wo mutie afidi papai na uye no eto nchen a eno ye daily analyst now wasande yewra pandit asiama Bank of Ghana governor wodnemfoni aba beto akire eno wono nso kire se wo hwe se de ye asset no ne report mu esi ehuru kwa 465 enini the spider say security media close rank against fake news threats in Ghana security comma media close ranks against fake news threat in Ghana.
Yeah, some no mooking.
Sancho for no do. Be security ne dikan.
Say nya enko security ni by the
close ranks.
Sompa the credible news. Senti the cassette ha no.
Aye,
credible news. Mo aha na ye ka no.
Authentic.
Aye. The wo hwehwa dance ya ubenya.
Visible. Sompa. Na what the Ghana man penimfo ni aba beto abi. Na we was a tidal threat. Mama rolls out defense plans for vulnerable communities. Into $150 million. And eno so honsem anopai krata ne de biaba ye boso ama yetiefo no so wo mafa. Sa ekuo no de wate wo monka dada anopai wo ye kase ebom kura ye de wondi ne ba beto dwa. Omo se eba chine ya manyoku no mu a wo mu ye mabuna wo mu a wo mu nso ehunu da achefiri ne na de wo mu hunu ne se Yewra Julius Debra se koba se esi ahene na etu ahenefo no wo mu eka na pepe nkote ase na wo fa form so wo be premampani se mampani ma amani ho a ka se tie bia beboa papa ama enkunimbo a wo mu guso to ne sesi no wo mu atimi ato afuru so ama yasa so kura si bia to aso anopai krata the spider no de wo kan bia no mahu so oduma nkoma nso miamia ne de no maminya no de wo mfa bi nwurem na yento aso mfiri ha kofi djuma nko ana oyoko
ba ku bi wa ha na o ka the national voice paper no a friend the national voice no
yes
anadwa won shedan hia
national voice
Debbie
the national voice unhu no da
you ene wo ma hada
sir you are back here more trouble for taxi truck drivers.
How?
You say how? Sure. Now we what the nothing what buy. More trouble for taxi truck drivers. As NDC government compulsory road touring projects implement compulsory road touring projects. We I didn't think that truck taxi driver. And you be an idiot.
Na ane private for no one can.
Yeah, dio. Odo so ne dia ode ba wa ha no.
Keji.
What say former MP a. Akwai sexy dondon allegedly. Ukokun ni. Johnson na ye di nkomo bi wa kire ho. What mo say?
You JB Dankwa.
JB Dankwa du.
Nyame fa ne crazy yi. Na babia na kra wo bia nso no wonu ma eto ne kra so were wo mo wonto
Semo.
Na wo mo me kan wonu mo nsem.
Say you see na allegedly you see na we see dan bi won pona no ho baby. Up to now you see him say dan dey ne na say ne dey. Him ni pakura dan no kra ye ne dey.
Yenim ne ye ne dey.
Yenim ne dan no kra ye ne dey.
Na obi asi dan a se anti family o se den yo adanse bi ani ho e kire se e dan ne ye ne dey.
You see him say dan ne ye.
Nti o mo de be den.
Nti no ho
na contractor na owo da no ho no so na oje ne sika o
ye free. Ghana we na nkasa na de mu odi na adwa me nim se wo de be fa ho nti no ma me mo na ye ngura ho ntem ayi na no ka so a baby and mother
and child hospital
Abigail.
Sir, Ghana have said for the paper be about
Abigail Opoku. Yes, I've seen the statement. I'm so happy. Na me bon pa say baby
mo e ho na massive be gina no
adwa nipa de were free
and nti na me person me say me te no me ka no say omo the statement omo the paper ba aye paper no de paper no ma tro so keke enya de e be nyane nipa yawie o de yawie ha ho enya de a e be nyane nipa ene ye nsem kan ene nka fa ba ko ne mo mbra na fa we ko na me mfa quotation no ani mo ka me wa ha no ho ai ono a na ye omo de ba say for the
no say incident ne ba ye nti o de ye be ka san komo no
eja o de
di se papers ne de abanti ne ye boso
enti media me de quotation no to aso wa ha but na no quotation na o kan James 2:10 eno ye be kan
James 2:10
but Chronicle say
me dane no me ye ne 10:2
Chronicle James no kra no 10 yo 5 Chronicle say Luke 13:3 the can hwe homa me answer we are near the James 2:10 na to aso Luke 13:3 or say brofo na say no abedikan I tell you but unless you repent
no near there be no
ni bia unless you repent you will always likewise perish fa twi no to aso ma be na
me se wo
say nya me Bible ne say
ente sa
enya sa na tie da
na mum
age se
mo ansakira mo adwene
sa wadwen a
mo nyina mo be yira sara
eno nyam na meka
samum
se Ghana Health Service mum panimfo ansakra o madwen a o me de paper say ya na be ba be da yen se Ministry of Health ansakra na adwen a o me de paper say ya na ba be da yen na ye yira na ye se ko se oman ni mum panimfo no ansakra ya adwene a na ya anya niam yi a se ya na ye behu no Abigail se ya na beto yen nya enene de na aba hwe na no he somewhere 2018 me bra me di na chi na yere ko wo yo konfanoche that time na baby a mampani Akufo Addo yere esi mother and child unit ho no MBU ho no anza konfanoche teaching hospital na omode student na wo konfanoche no aba MBU ho be kire wo made
amba practical
omo ba be sua de na omo wo vacuum bi afidie bi friend vacuum omo de gi awo that is the last even when see ebe ye CS and ase bibisa na obi a wo kọ na awo so nyesa wo kra wo ngoda nyese ontime nkyem ye the vacuum no na eje na wo because the vacuum na be kire nkwada na de nti ye de ba be use wo obi anya say owo complications
test running
ye de be kire de nti
say no ano
na akwada no e ba sa akwada no ti e no mo de etuom de poli ni american aifo no tema say health center or health practitioners ni american me e wo effect long time effect e wo nipa adwene ho sa vacuum
say dem frama bi na
very good e na dey force aso e
say dey wo fia abebe da It said your warfare baby.
Eja pia me dia mesra wa.
Me say akwad me medical aka aye case na to hode da say akwada na onya 99 years. Kura na adwene ho kan awsiw komfa no che me ka wa ha biem.
First na ne.
Me say akwada no kura nya 99 years. The case is still pending. Na say
ntina open say heal komfa no che.
I tell you
heal.
Na yehu say akwada no sebe na adwene ho ate chimaki tuwa bia. Me say me can radio way so say I will sue Konfanochi for that act. Negligence ne amanfo bi minim adwene ya na woni pa bitrim. And now say no ohenere so ka the same experience. Nia ono so fa mu when okwakowo. Oh. Na practitioners ni bi wo ho a omayo mo say we have seen it all. Fire when ye besinsi. Me say sava kumdom yusu wa akwada ne so akwada ne wo ho de nanso me medical aka me ne papa obeye formers obeye
na akra no ho na bra bo ne ya bibi betumi aka
say afi no ko 8 years until we are still monitoring him. Brilliant but we are still monitoring him. Me ba me chewa de papa you know ye Professor Ochada Mensa obeye CEO e wo Konfanochi. Papa no foundation binti me ne di nkoma mbo na mane na the foundation e take over. And because the case is still pending. And yes nkom use vacuum no the last resort. So why you bibia here so and son now the vacuum na ba now the waba awaka no o the student na benti yankofa vacuum ne fa ma chire student kwan fa so use vacuum no. Me see said that chibi and that is what the resolution I pass was say that chibi ya that chibi sa kura no kura benya 200 years na be ka da koro ama ni 200 years na so na wawu na se bibi to chema wo na adwen ho a wo siw konfanochi
abotre ena ya wada ma wo ya nko wache
o de ye besan ba won say me pesa me fa course ne ntem
okay
na ye nya bre eyi bi nso adwuma bi nso wa ha ya enti se na be ya ene eminya be 2 minutes na 3 bi na me den kai na che
na jo James 210
kai mame
o say James 210 na de odi mra nyina so na obeto baako no na wadi ni nyina hofo
that is the scripture
ni odi mra ni nyina so na beka baako pese ya obeto sa mra no wadi mra na wadi sunu ni nyina wadi hofo enti edru ho no ma ye be apply scripture
mokro no ensa ni nyina wade nko na wuni awu kura te se de wadi awu
0260196064 0260196065 oba 1 minute 30 seconds me monitor eso ya na onka semwie ya na woko. Hello, good morning.
Bajo, good morning o.
Ejenimo.
Bajo.
There be when you ejenimo.
Ya unie me ka free pram.
Ya o yenti on free pram e.
Me bajo ya momoduma pa mo ya de ache na ya Thursday. Na me nka mo ho. Na ke me pesa me kan se. Kana ya security service no. Ya pilima obia amfa o mani mu tikiri form. According to Kenya Emranity no. Ke omo committee am Roberts na omo nkumu omo nyina ma omo nja ni baba kokura. E ma no se omo di omo kumu omo yeso omo nja mo omo tisa omo. After the dosu bio let's see a Ghana and then your son 70 years. Na ohia omanyimu enipa work for ochina workers day enipa work for na obi aye tuma 40 years quarter product kura woni na ohia tenia ayama no fue ani wo mu di ni mu wo nya omo afa activity filling station actually or the same FM station here we did to now almost different thing yeah me buy one for me see a penny now on TV and to quarter pro to go and fa and yes that all your nonsense in even in the map it me be no to me now now you have you abo two ya wo resources bebre wo mayi na abamfo ya ya body wo musi esi apini na 70 years yi omo ba ko gina wo so omo celebrate no and ye na chese omo ni nyame ani ni
omo ni nyame ani ni ye meda sipi yawo a wo free pram. Hello, good morning.
Any about my channel or
Erade adum na wo so e.
The radiation. You go to me because 37.
Kwaku yenti on free 37.
You mean about my men tower chief one who I could not mean say you are Dr. Mamudonia. Any doctor and you come let me rap. Me kase adie bi koso o man mu a esese na esese na eka. The president mama Ghana for ye to abama o se bi dia de. Ati wo tu na ni MPP for so say obet tata MPP for. Ye ma fe ma 78 years man. Nanti ya hono na mkrofo bi ko ibra ko bit maniti o mache. It say egbo mu yo yokofo ye nim so me ya police ye nim so me ya from o mu ko ni tie ko de se ni tie ni do se ni ema e ko tutu ni ema nyina go papa panimu ana yewura na kasa tire lete e de bre yewura romana tete se na mkrofo bi abe ye o me pie na o so nsa pre se ye ni zade ablamien tnat no wo ba ye enene nansa Tuesday no obaye ye did not know ama ye romanata ye se na ye wu no they romanata from Tuesday no what are you maso could ede wo yoko say romanata to all money bill it is all to so kan ye be dey catch president mama and na ba dey say we run na o ye ye mbi before e ha ye ni o na wo ye mu e mo bo that be 2 minutes time Diana Romata, ocean here. Neither there be a cat play the mama, the only go. Now more market now who you want to
Meda CP 0260196064 0260196065. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wine mesianui.
Obadua amo figure. Mini to tupachi. Ashimos over canable. Obana upum to say.
Erade adumo na onso
Adum ashiye ni amo bambo. Usiri mami anopasi anami kreni adi. Bedase. Masumo domi kwa benya. Taifa na mibutuo. Mahama ye ni papa. Entisa on. Kasabi mprediasa. Kufu adu ankasa krabainanko. Jina sengdibia anasenko odefiasi. Na wini. Ekatre kwa kuwa chense. Se nkofobia bawura kofi dwumafie akosese ne nyama iklomo as criminal police station enkoye formal report and a formal complaint amadi system on criminal yoma breso a nki hunsa abronye atitima omutumi de sesa ko nyamagiji amanfo japade ndoni mahama firi na nkro mu ni se mahama is too kind na me sre ne se ni research na agenda no enye se oba jigana sikadi atugana futum dia hwe Ghana dia obeye die set fate bia obeye akwan obeye schools obeye hospitals obeye ni na yentini kan no awabra onchi criminal dia omwa tutu
Meda CP 0260196064 196065. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wine mesianui. Edward ya free Santa Maria yenti wanope.
Manuja wutiefo na meja uwa kwa cheja kwa oba national chairman. Na meja uwa vera oyebra onozo oko national youth organizer. Ena no pe review uwa akopre kwa meja pon obia mechiano. Uwa me sramu enra program na moye no ne ofa course no ya me no krani enra de oye de mani anyi. Mi wura musa ya mami wura musa mom kasesi na no azu bia one particular for the same party and mom kasa sa the other side dey obi en won ma onya di kasa oh ndi ade ne se mu ye dwumo no a na mo de prepare ya mi wura mu yesi na wura mi wura mu kwanso ya amfani oh edi mi sramu adwuma no ye nyina mu die tie ye hwe ye bre edi tie mu endi tie wura na se mo mam yanga sadia ya se na dume nwuro ma dia minim se na dume nwuro
Ade wura mu no ye yi wo free so ana
ni wura mu wa piki ni wura se se de ne de me wura mu ya mo piki ya no me wura mu wa piki And the I am a yano. Now me come at them so now the American say Baumia and then go for. Yes, sir. You see, I'm much more pengambo who work in Japan and Gasai.
Me pacho Breno aso na san komo na wo bono phone lines de wa obeba so bia ye peke wo enti se wo frɛ na ya mpeke a na kyerɛ se call time na twam ti se na sei akabe 8 minutes na me the calls na asi enti after that na se wo frɛ na wo frɛ belia na ya mpeke a kyerɛ se call time na twam ti me pacho hye no so efama me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Ejani mo. Hey. Ejani mo ya tu nka che Erade adom.
Amo. Kadi ya ewure mu ayam pe ya. Antu de no se fa kila mu de ya. Entiane de mene ayana entan hamza. Yo, men charge na secretary. Ono an yimintiri no. Enti edu wonu mu a mo san tuma no. No mo aduma ma MPP aban. Na ke ena police boy Naomi akwashia Owusuwa ena the Kankam Wadu national chairman ono so oba den ena Haji Asapia Mohammed yo dia mi kanya ne se Ghana na yetim sisi no o ma no chichire eni ye nyina ye den ye pe na muka Mr. Furiata mu asem Furiata wo emse omugusua wo mo kana asem no dem say nkurumdie beba ama atamfu ani ewu ndiene de yamfa ntonchen na won kana se mo so bu problem o yo Ghana dem say baby ya do ye ko ye ni mu ano no yenso e wo se afeyi eba because enema bi kwosua enko yie kan ya dudumandundumi enko yie mayen wodi ate eniama ya kiagu atuna agbagbo sika pe nyantie ejama kure mu aye tin and the best represent mama.
Meda CP me fani panai na mede esi. Hello, good morning.
Abahima na benya me asibi
enka wonso.
Eni nke ko ama. Iya honorable Buachi. Iwe ya no piano. Nke de ko me ya chairman. Chairman Isaac NP at the chairman. So the bar of it. The book of the friend around the community, the upper community, and I can't think about NBC applying NP Ghana for because the NBC applying Ghana for up to the one. And the open applying the agenda, one of own and the over 12. I'm going to put one next one. I'm going to put only as a woman, you know, 24-hour market any year. The 24-hour market now. You're going to put it down with the whole government. Next, a super ballpark anyway. About your agency, about the couple of things that you do, don't know all people. The Guso Apple together the idea for in 2 1 and just anything can be done. I just do some other stuff for
Meda CP. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Medo. What is it?
Erade adumu na unso e.
Meda nyame go social. I'm church for staff. Na me mo na ba so na me church wa chama ko communication.
Wa mo udin you.
Me do the Mr. Nokra Sam ka Africa so. The dear former MP no to na one me na me chia Mr. Brown political commission no su get madina me chairman to so that still maintain. Ye kan Ghana apakwasum. Se pa se ye kan hospital. Uju kwame kuma. Jontaman mama any abanya wapaya wasisi hospital kwa awu. The local for the year and see working agenda 111 now what kind of what you do. And when you go out to the hospital, what you yes, I'm a little fruit. You go away in it. Ah, yeah, or taking it. Come the day just the hospital, I can tell up handsome that you enjoy any man and get any man. The now, the local for the hospital. And then you go with him, come to some hammer and the floor.
Obam Bonina, what to Obama is Samuel, a damn what to be a fire, how we are coming here for you. Also to a good boy, like yes. You keep one way, and young man put before that to Bonima. Me and Mr. Ghana, and you keep all the bar, and so now, and people
no cross Meda CP. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Uncle Adwoa, Uncle Pia, the children.
Ya Joso.
The uncle Jimmy.
Uncle Awachi, ain't one of pay.
You take a hospital at the Milan. A double kidney. Hospital, no. He said, you're all costing. Necessary, what she said. But no, what you want to say. Well, let me talk about a moment. If you say, if you are in Juma, protocol, winner, again, I will follow which one can I try to send the blood bank. No, wow, per se, or crack as a winner. Then so call, yes, or he said, no, Gramo, the little charm, which now call, and she knew how I know by you, and then you want to stop. I mean, yes, or it's one you know. So call us which you did the next phone. You come watch me in your call and what to walk the first already phone. So, the desire and my wife offer them tell about the general hospital. Offer your papa winner. Could you believe the Senate for walk on a wash? Maybe then you don't want to buy 9 o'clock. Because there was a week like a day 3 days. My national break, which was when you're contacting me, you're contacting what woman you need in say. Hey, I said,
Uncle Awachi Medasipi aka 2 more calls na media 0260196064 196065. Hello, good morning. Ne pacho wine meshianu. Collins pacho yenti ofri amamole.
Yankopon shira papa obo omode. Share let's represent Mahama. Share all man in 90 for na almost actually offer life you know say. And if you know my prayer na within 3 weeks do so ya katanyoma yeah so na a sabotage. I'm telling you the gospel fact because we gave just a trickle of our art. I'm a moneta I have table. I'm table concentrate have no by a part for this thing. They do America. Me yet me Ghana I sorry me this and yeah I was coming come along. They do not let a process by process. Can you imagine that? To be sure that in all this happen, you know. Now we do energy minister I was about to say ever catch a time table like the other. Now opposition every time table that is before so I'm almost going to say maintain her the best you maybe we can do one more day. The Ghana a year in opposition now pursue power. Let me Ghana say na service the best you did the
Etujiwara Collins Medasiano pay me pick him last call. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wine machine. Eradia dumu.
Didn't cover any for internet.
Kobna yinti wano pay.
I'm not going to check this. I want to keep one minute.
Kwabena wahuma nenye wahuma ni munye. Yeah.
It's politics to the end in truck. You can get away trade at the increment of my. Some of my. Let's take the man can the Ghana put it in a yes, you need to have a popular.
Debbie Kwabena Humano anope die amwane ne mamemfa last one emfanshim tiawa o me ma 1 minute pe. Hello, good morning.
Why are there nyame shira papa say wait me afame
Bright near the Casa Free Abuso kind.
Bright or 1 minute.
Me da super brave. Mammy Faquina was na me trouble for say honorable Abolo. Call for deputy communication officer Omonka and Nomutu Abaman. Dana lawyer Zuma on the Subutu Tema. Unim MPP one Omupe power bar Ombe Bibia say Ombeva power. Share so Omako share Coco for Bimwasi. Yamagana Yama Omusika say Omufa to Ghana for Coco. Namudiscano Echo Africus Echo to Coco Edibo Manam. Oh, I kita MPP for. Share your best your daughter. Any necessary war my will. Ya omunya nipa timam kakra. Share abayo fefe ya okwaku wa hwe ne nkwa. Enam say daughter ni bi anase nurse ni bi anye na ejuma yie. Your best minister. Say omunya hwehwemu fa ho. Say oyade a omuhye da ye sama abayo we free ma. A man is uncle no ending the year because it means now a much I'm your money and consultancy. Which is how also the work as well on now. No more no and yet
Meda CP Anope Bright aha ena mede afre ejumano ABC some abo amane dada set time heba mesha no pebi nenom na eba aduane nso de anade weni akyem wo hagye ho no wakwa didi kasa natural mineral water eno ni nsu a yagye atuma yeyu wo Ghana ha ba bia program bia se uwia na wafre Sompa ya homa no ne ani wadi nkomo ne akyerɛkyerɛ ne mani so se bia pese wo ne yen esan 0531 886216 0531 886216 na niema nyina timi akoyie na ye besore so enche me fa 3 minutes na meja dia aka no ede ama kwaku na yesre awahusem bisie ewo kasoa mother and child hospital ababa wa ye friend na bigelopoku enru aye ye ho story wa ha na wutie enkomo anenua ba no ene nsɛmtwerɛfo edi ye no a oba awaka na wakwa awoso yede ni free hospital foforo na eba mother and child ho according to necessary nchiremu no na eya rehu yie pi se waba na oba na wofa yawa etisei emu na ebusuafo pachew se yese ya recommending se CS kura na obeya ma abusuafo no empopo omuti ni enti ane nua ba ne ka sanse most often ebu ho no ma obu ho ayam booking for CS because ye hu so obetimi awo but award ye wontimi predict ukona complications eba emergency measures wo ho no ma CS ka ho ebetimi aye especially se wonye obi a ya booking for CS already a ni asi lady da ho no o CS kura na mo beye na monye no asem a wo se empenifu ana nurse ni na obe attendee to no ne ka kire no ne say recovery ayema recovery ho no yese ya ye o CS na wie no ward na ye de ukoto ho kopem se duro ne betete wani so na wa ye okay ansa na ye move to main ward no ho na nurse ni ne ka ho asem se recovery ayema mpani ho enti lady ne da ho ya mehwe no ya mani bibia da ho de wo bre miwu sa na baba wani wuye Abigail Opoku fa ne me picture no eto so ma me nurse fo no yesramo midwives a doctor fo yi yesramo se ya munya tema kakra manipa emanipa Saka so mother and child hospital honom no this is not the first incident and it's becoming too much miminim but obi atia me naso se na nsem ya ba ya na yese ye de kokot o kan ho asema na yese ye de kokot hospital ho no enti amasa bensam trofo kwa no wo mo ntimi mbosa hospital no wo mo chem so ye ntimi nka this is not the first incident mother and child kaswa sa hospital no aba na nya wanwa ya so sad say yese jama say area ho no mkra no se bia yare sabia dodo no akra na nse da nya papa entu be kono mother and child woni pa bo apeso say tam because e ho na wo betimi anya proper healthcare delivery kakra as compared to the other hospitals na e was central region ho no enti omo boni paso dwa because de bia nipa ye ho ma agese wo bi yare ameye yi na nsa ne yenye obi amanada ho oh areho ye papa na nura ukọ comment section na se wo sa lady ni post ya ne nuaba ne be ye na wo hye comment na wo tie de nkrofo ka sa hospital na mi say the least said the better Kaswa Mother and Child Hospital ho the least said the better but tell me the say Central Regional Ghana Health Service Directorate no woma take this matter on woma the statement about say womu ye investigations now they want to treat this matter as an emergency and I pray and I hope say investigations now womu ye no ebe wiase ye ebe gina ye na ye hunu na ya sanction womu esafata se ye sanction womu 27 years na nemrem 21st century obi kwa wosu kowu enye your health system and your healthcare delivery and you weak ewo Ghana ha and ko bi be kwa woso in the course say all the life for ebe wiase no mo makohwere ne nkwa amakora no so awu ye ka mo se me yenka health minister ye rakwabena minta akando ye ka mo se me yenka ye system no enye aye weak enye na government hospitals ne kwa dodo saying na wo Ghana ha wo services ye top notch enti na obi ya wo se me call private hospital ya wo se fa ne call private se se private fo no kwa wo mu di ehwamo private fo no kwa wo mu di ehwamo enti sa situation we lady way anka wonti me nkwankwa wo emfa ne ho mfa ne ba ye ka mo se me yenka enti sa hospital ne de me see investigations na wo monye se obi o hono mo a wanye na de ye yes say ye sanction wo mo ye sanction wo mo administration is yet to comment on this issue na me yan no e ba ya ye nka administrator na medical director or superintendent na wo mo de da no they will not talk yes remo pi this situation is so sad ababa wa say last year no worry ye no wa fa ya furu me kwa wo so aba no wa kowu na ne ba no so awu
kwa wo so aba ne wono awama amwakonkoto funda camera amwakonko ya awama funda camera sika so no so ansamba
mami fancy ya mabusua nyina hyeden ya mabusua ya akọ wo mo hyeden pa na ya gie di said directorate na asema wo maka wo statement mu no wo mo behwe no wo maye na bibia tinyesi
we are
trusting their words enti Basa hospital ho de kwaku me say they should investigate the hospital.
Knife me. Painful is it?
Painful is it?
Mama of 5 minutes.
Ama my button. But boy me na yen kan. Psalm 146 verse 3. Psalm 146 verse 3. Ne masama me be kan no. Mema wa bo voice bi ama me. The kind of voice in a mammy answer.
Right.
Na yen shen komo biase. Na demonstration be sign lumi. Next month ya yesi modachne. Demonstration be lumi. The kind of voice in a mammy answer.
Making sure that at least 2021, 2022, up to 2025, 5 years batches will be recruited and have been budgeted for. If you check our ministry's budget that was presented to the Minister of Finance, it is here with me. And it is not only you. We have priority project. And I think the word priority, you understand. To seek clearance to recruit 7,287 officers for the following. Fiscal planners, 522. Engineers, 261. Agric extension officers, 428. Social welfare and community development, 522. Environmental health and sanitation, 2,316. And others are behind it. So, we are making effort. We took this to the Minister of Finance, seeking for financial clearance to embark upon it. The government this year regularized. So you hear that local government, 242 stars were regularized to be paid. From 2023, 5 of them were chieftaincy lawyers to be paid for 2-3 years. But they've been working with that pay. This was done by the Minister for Finance, and they were to be paid the last month, November. So these 2,316 environmental officers is good you have come. Government is not against demonstration. We took this to the Minister for Finance. He regularized and paid the existing ones. His case is that let's pass this budget. Minister of Local Government, you are asking for additional financial clearance. And with this, your letter, backed by the 2 letters you've written, we are going to take it to Cabinet. Cabinet is not only going to be me who will speak on it. We will take this to Cabinet. Because it's true.
Adwoa, Ajay. Papa Yokasa ye Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Minister for Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs.
Yeah.
Kasa we ye 15th December 2025. Last year. Okay, I know. I say Minister say mon pass budget in 2026 budget and also mon pass. Nyoma pass here. We are entering the 5th month since the 2026 budget was passed. Asama me kan ho asema na se nkomo nyina ye tankasefo nkomo efi adokro man no
tankasefo
o aja ka tankasefo na waka no brofo ni aye nim samansamanfo tankasefo
environment
a omako suku awie tifie since 2022 was 2023 etitifie till date. Sa 15th December was the 3rd time and Omako Ministry of Local Omoye Juma directly under that ministry. Inti no Omako, that was the 3rd time Omoko ho say eja yetitifie mo na esa mama ye Juma na ye mo mfa yen enna Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim Banda MP ehye oma no ho ba say oma ye bibia wie, and they are waiting for the passage of the 2026 budget.
Ya pass here no so a.
And also until now, until they are planning say ombeko back to the ministry. They are next month, yeah. Because of my certificate in the ministry,
anticipate.
Yes.
Join the work to the ministry of local government
because we are for that cause. A fear na
registration
submit
your certificate.
Very good. Now so you fly a free so mami answer. Now so ejaje me so no kura kakra bi
entro bebre
eja mavwen no
entro bebre
no kura kakra bi
entro bebre
sankrofo ne bonyem say o ma me ba ko
o papa bebre
we dia o no kura ba ko
o entro bebre
eja ntro na do so Ghana ha dodo masam no nie hwe obi a yenye ya ye ho adwuma o tie voice na e boy na ya wie nye pipeline po o se ya wie eno wan se ye be pass budget ya pass budget you 5th month in a new year omugusu tifie
ombe
enano ye te ha be bomb panifo aba so say Ghana Health Service ni Ministry of Health aye etua nkrofo areas amawo teachers for by next month ya ye be ramu almost 17 months arrears ye be tua ma omo atifie na ye mfa omo nso amaka chom say financial clearance mo ye bibia awie omo nso
kwakuma memfa
ade o man ya betre mu a age say obom panimfo adwene ho ebom twade ansana wo ma ate
Ebusia yedi wasi ye sorry so na Sompa Rhapsody no yedi atwa so edi amamo oduma nkoma chiame Obrempong na kwaku ampoma na wote ne nka na japi Apam Dadaa na memedin ede Adwoa Asare na emame akosu agwa aboaje
Sompa no trendy o Sompa is trending and trending and trending trendy pa edino ko pa and you declare say Sompa is no more a new station. And you new cry because we must see and what na bebe ya haja baby that we go baby cry. Yeah. I said haja baby that we go.
Yes, sir, can you hope you more? Joe's bread and pastries.
Joe's bread and pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Joe's hot kenke abba. Dokono papa no.
Dokono papa no.
Afei na ube kojo. Akoto to ebro. Abecha ho sente. Ababa ye dokona kwa akoton. Wo bra Joe's hot kenke ewo ho. Eye 3 Ghana cedis pe.
3 Ghana cedis pe.
O say price no. Ube tu na wo kwa na wakwa akoton. Eno no se wonya woni ma na wo dia boss. Enti Sabre die introducing Joe's hot kenke. Ye de ebro papa ehu cha ene ye dia ye. Baby aye no nso. Eya honidie nko a. Highly clean environment. And then which no obo adie nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti